Formula for past simple. You know what, guys? We're gonna talk about a formula for past simple, man. All right, yeah, we're gonna talk about a formula for past simple. All right, guys. So this is the formula for past simple. All right. Okay, guys. Let's go. Affirmative. So when we are talking about the formula for past simple, we got to talk about the affirmative form. That is the what? That is the positive form. Then we got to talk about the negative form. Then we got to talk about the interrogative form. That is the question form. So these are the three forms we got to talk about in the past simple. Also we got to talk about what? The verb to be. Because we got to use the verb to be. So the verb to be in all these forms. All right, guys. Let's go. Affirmative form. All right, that is a positive form. Okay, all right. So the formula gotta be what? Subject plus V2 verb. This is the V2 verb. All right. When we talk about the V2 verb, we have the V1 verb. That is the base form. The V2 verb, that is the past form. So this is the V2 verb. All right. So we gotta use the V2 verb. That is the past simple, the past form. All right. Okay, guys, let's go. So you gotta know the three forms of the verb, the V1 verb, the V2 verb, and the V3 verb. All right. So the V3 verb is what we call the past participle. All right. Okay, the participle. All right. Okay, guys, let's go. Plus objects. So this is the formula for affirmative form. All right. Okay, guys, let's do a little example. Indicate a little example for you to see. So the example gonna be I live in London. So I is the subject. The V2 verb there is live. All right. In London, that is the object. So this is the simple formula for past simple in the affirmative form. So just follow this formula. It can help you. So great, man. This is the grammatical formula. All right. So I live in London. Subject, verb 2 plus object. So this is a simple formula for past simple in affirmative form. All right, guys, let's go. Negative form. So let's talk about the negative form. Okay. So the negative form gotta be subject plus auxiliary verb. We all know the auxiliary verb do. So in the past gotta be did. All right, the auxiliary verb do. All right. Plus the V1 verb. This is gonna be the verb in the base form. That was we call the V1 verb. The verb in the base form, the V1 verb. So in the negative form, you gotta be careful. After the auxiliary verb, then you gotta have the base verb. That is the V1 verb. All right. Then also your subject. So this is a simple formula for the negative form in past simple. All right, guys, let's go. So the example gotta be she didn't speak English. So she is the subject. Didn't is the auxiliary. That is the negative form. Okay. So speak is the V1 verb. That is the base form. All right. English is the object. So this is the simple formula for the negative form. This is the grammatical structure. So you gotta follow this one, guys. So important. This can help you to understand the past simple. All right. That is the formula, man. This is for beginners, guys. This video is for beginners. You gotta watch the other videos. Those are for advanced. These are just for beginner basic. When you're doing past simple. All right. Okay, guys. Let's